Hey everybody, today is July 18th, 2018. Filming with a new camera for QCompim DDX, a Sony Handycam wide angle camera. We're outside the Terrell Building, the now 50-year-old Terrell Building at CPCC. We're here to do an update on the Terrellevator, the old modernized Dover. See how it's doing today. It's been a while since I've ridden it. This will be, I think, my first 1080p upload of it. We are inside the lobby. The college does plan to replace this building in the next year or two, so this thing won't be around too much longer, unfortunately. So let's enjoy it while it lasts. It's already here. We're at the 5th floor of the Terrell Building. Do a quick look outside. Back to one. Look at there. Did you guys see that? I've never done that before. Floor indicator advanced to 1 a little early there. See, the sign is missing out the back of it. Let's go up to 2 and end. So there you have it. Originally installed in 1968 as a 3-floor elevator, and increased to 5 floors in 1971 and modded in 2002. The innovation stuff was put in, I believe, in the 90s. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this elevator, thanks for watching. Okay, today is July 25th. Let's do another video of this thing to see what the floor indicator decides to do today. Five. Totally normal today. Oh, when I press 1, it lights up. Look at that. Yeah, that is rather interesting. Okay. thing is possessed.